Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Learning to Drive series. Lesson 2, Hazard Routine, MSPSL. You know this routine as mirrors, signal, maneuver. A maneuver is any change in position or speed, so MSM becomes mirrors. Check position, speed of following traffic. Act sensibly on what you see. Signal. Ask yourself, will a signal help others? If you need a signal, give it in good time. Position. If necessary, steer to a new road position in good time so that others can anticipate what you intend to do. Speed. Slowing down, ease off the accelerator or brake. If you need to speed up, accelerate smoothly if needed, change gear for greater control. Look well ahead. Assess the situation. Decide what you need to do. Act promptly on your decision to wait or proceed. Left turn. To make a left turn, use MSPSL. Check the interior or left mirrors. Give an indicator signal. Position about a meter from the curb. Slow down in good time. Select an appropriate gear, usually gear 1 or 2. Look into the side road and steer accordingly. Right turn. To make a right turn, use MSPSL. Check interior and right mirrors. Give a signal. Position as close to the center of the road as is safe. Slow down in good time. Select appropriate gear, again usually gear 1 or 2. Look into the side road. Give priority to approaching traffic. Things to think about are: how do you judge your point of turn? And how should you deal with pedestrians and cyclists at junctions? Emerging at T-Junctions. When emerging at a T-junction, use MSPSL on approach. Scan left and right as you approach the junction to build up a picture of the traffic flow and other hazards in the main road. Your zone of vision will get wider as you approach the end of the road. Where your line of sight is restricted, edge forwards by using clutch control, peep and creep. Lean forwards in your seat so the car doesn't need to stick out so far. Be aware of emerging left while looking right. As you come to the end of the road, ask yourself, is the junction open or closed? And who has priority? Crossroads. When approaching crossroads, early identification is important. Look out for signs and crossing traffic. Use MSPSL on approach. Assess priority. Unless road layout or markings dictate otherwise, follow the normal rules for road positioning. If you and an approaching driver are turning right, turning offside to offside is safer because you have a better view. Beware of emerging left whilst looking right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.